Hey everyone, welcome to my Celsius crypto card review. Want to use your crypto without selling it? Check the description below for links to sign up and learn more. In this video, I'll cover the card's features, my personal experience, and who benefits most. The Celsius card gives crypto holders easy access to their digital assets without selling, perfect for maintaining long-term holdings while staying liquid. Backed by the Celsius network, known for its lending and borrowing services, this card lets you spend crypto-backed loans, not converted cash. This avoids taxable events. Collateralize your Bitcoin or other supported crypto, borrow against it, and spend with the card, all while holding your assets. This is great for crypto investors who believe in long-term growth but need access to funds. Setup is simple through the Celsius app. Manage funds, monitor collateral, and make payments with no hidden fees. Interest rates on borrowed funds depend on your collateral and can be lower if paid with the Celsius token, CEL. Security is key. The app uses 2FA and biometric authentication to protect your assets. Plus, no monthly, transaction, or issuance fees. The Celsius card is ideal for experienced crypto users who want to strategically use assets without impacting long-term investments. It's also perfect if you need spending power without selling your crypto. Want to leverage your crypto holdings? The Celsius card is worth a look. Check the links below for more information.